Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and harden your Robinhood account with 2FA, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Log into your Robinhood account using your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the account menu, find and select the Settings option. Scroll down until you see the Security section. Tap on Enable Two-Factor Authentication. You'll be given two options for 2FA, SMS or an authentication app. For SMS, enter your mobile number and tap Send Code. Check your messages for the verification code and enter it in the app. If you prefer using an authentication app, download one like Google Authenticator or Authy. Open the authentication app and scan the QR code displayed in the Robinhood app. After scanning, a verification code will be generated. Enter this code back into the Robinhood app to complete the setup. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, you'll see a confirmation message. Ensure that 2FA is active by returning to the security settings. You can now feel secure knowing your account is better protected. Remember to keep your recovery options safe in case you need to regain access. Consider adjusting other security settings, like enabling account alerts for unusual activity. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and hardened your Robinhood account with two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.